Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Alfie once again from Ho's channel, and for today's video, I will tour you of Manny Pacquiao's private resort in Sarangani. So sit back, relax, fasten your seatbelt and mostly be informed. A tour of the Pacquiao family's private beach resort in Sarangani. While we had known that Jinky Pacquiao's family owns a private resort of some kind, we never knew what they exactly meant by resort. Like, does it have a slip-and-slide pool? Does it look like a hotel? Do they have fancy golf carts they use to get around? Well, we finally have answers to all those questions because Jinky herself posted a tour of the resort on her YouTube channel. I'm not bragging na meron kaming ganito Request Nio Namanito, she says in the introduction. The sprawling resort consists of a number of villas where her side of the family and her husband, Manny's side of the family, stay when they're vacationing together. The complex was built 7 years ago but still looks as if it was newly minted. Ahead, we rounded up all of the mind-blowing details of the Pacquiao private resort. The resort is set against a sweeping backdrop of the mountains and is filled with towering coconut trees. The resort is dotted with pockets of lush greenery, while the front features a pond. Jinky says that the interiors follow a blue and white theme. In the first of the two main villas, Jinky's old magazine covers and campaigns are displayed on the walls. Makikita ko parin kung ano ang gaginawa ko before. And surprise! Jinky also has on display a photo from one of her previous preview shoots. You know how some people have venues specifically for entertaining guests? Well, Jinky has an entire dining hall for that and it looks like a mini home. It's replete with a billiards table, buffet table, tables and chairs, and couches that make for the perfect entertaining spot. Here's the poolside area of the resort. You know, it's just your run-of-the-mill backyard infinity pool complete with chaise lounges and umbrellas. No biggie. The cabana looks like it can seat up to 4 people. Where the pool meets the shore. Think that the dining hall was the only entertaining spot in the resort? Well, you're wrong. It turns out that they also have a gazebo that, wait for it, floats in the middle of the sea. A long bridge connects the shore to Jinky's backyard gazebo that stands on stilts in the sea. Imagine having this as your view from home. After Jinky wrapped up her tour of her sprawling home, the video caps off with scenes of their family bonding, which, in the most Filipino way imaginable, entailed food and a lot of singing and dancing. Thank you the love and support on my channel, and for those who didn't subscribe, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated whenever I have new upload. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected and mostly be informed in Ho's channel. God bless us all.